SQL, or SQL for short, is the gold standard language for communicating with relational database management systems. A relational database organizes data into tables, kind of like an Excel spreadsheet, where columns contain attributes or types of data, while each row represents an individual record or data point with its own unique ID known as a primary key. We can establish relationships between data points by taking the unique ID from one row and storing it on a different row in a different table in a special column known as a foreign key. In the teams table, the team ID is the primary key, but in the players table, it's the foreign key. Now, the role of SQL is not only to read, create, update, and delete data, but also to join data together based on the relationships embedded within it. If we zoom all the way out, we have a statement, or a piece of code that does something, like reads or writes to the database. Within a statement, we have a variety of keywords that can manipulate the database. Select can be used to make a query for the columns that you want from a table. The column and table names are known as identifiers, but we may not want every row in the table. So we filter the results with the where keyword to only include records that meet a certain condition. It's like looping over every row in the table and only returning rows in the query where the predicate evaluates to true. Then we might use the join keyword to connect data from an entirely different table by matching the primary key on this table to the foreign key on another table. What we've created is a collection of clauses that make up a full SQL statement.